Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include technology package, third row seating, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.